What's up everyone, this is Kenny here from Property Stories. So today I just want to show you around in Fahrenheit88. I'll be visiting Fahrenheit88 so we can really see what is inside the mall, how to get here and where is this located. Actually I'm right in the middle of the famous intersection of Pavilion, Star Hill and Fahrenheit88. Let's go. This is the famous intersection. The MRT is actually 200 meters away. Okay. So this is Fahrenheit88. You just take the MRT, you can actually come here and Pavilion everywhere. Star Hill is right opposite. So it's very convenient to move around here. Look at the jam. Okay, and now it's about 6 PM, so that's why it's very jammed. Not recommended to come here actually if you want to drive at this time. There are a lot of hotels. That's Volo, and this is Grand Millennium. This right opposite here is like is Pavilion Suites Residence. Yep, it's right beside Pavilion. Down there you have more hotels and also residents. You can find them in Airbnb, I guess. JW Marriott is right behind Star Hill here. Alright. So this is the mall. And that is another hotel there. Okay, go down there, it's actually lot 10 already. This is Sephora in Fahrenheit88. So if you drive car, this is the road that you enter to the parking at there, alright? So I'm entering the Fahrenheit88 car park. So this is the car park. This is the car park and you can see there the charges. I'm here on a weekday, so press the ticket, get your ticket and then we can go. So I'm at the LG floor parking. You can see there's ample parking because I'm here on a weekday again. It's not that high, so this building is actually an old building. You can see usually the maintenance are okay, but still there's a parking, and beside here is actually there's a residence component to it. Let's go. In park you can come from here, so that is what I was referring to. The residence component is called a Fahrenheit suite. So if you actually own a unit here, or maybe you Airbnb or something like that, homestay, it's actually a very strategic place because it's walking distance to everything. Pavilion, lot 10, everything. So let's go to the mall, shall we? I'm parked at LG2. So there's a lift here. Go up. So these are the parking rates. Just now maybe you cannot see, but so these are the parking rates here. Reasonable parking lah, and it's free 2 hours or more. Of course, it's term and condition, $80 for specialty store. And 150 from brands, Sephora and Uniqlo. Okay? I think it's a good deal for right in the middle of a city. So let's go up. So I'm at the ground floor of Fahrenheit88. Alright, so this is like the hallway. It's a very small mall, 1, 2, second floor. And on this time we actually have this Attack on Titan exhibition. So you can see this big statue here. Ground floor, this is the convenience store. This is the art shop. I'm at the end, behind me is actually the washroom. So this is the information counter. Okay. You don't find much variety on the ground floor shops. Mostly apparels, a lot of apparels. So if you are into apparels, and some is very trendy, I say, suitable for young people. Or would you like to have some flowers for decoration? I think this is one very interesting shop. It's a floral shop here. So this is really unique. You can take the underpass to Pavilion Elite and Pavilion right from Fahrenheit88. So you can just walk down here. So I'm taking the underpass to go for lunch and then back here. Alright? So there's still brand outlet. Okay, so there's an underpass here. Underpass are supposed to go here. Oh, the underpass goes through the shop. Oh, there it is. That's interesting. It goes through the brand outlet shop. Not bad going through you can also pass and then maybe can shop. Big there, I show you, underpass. Maybe it's a travel section. Here and there we are, underpass. Avenue. And just like it, ladies and gentlemen, you are actually in Pavilion without going through the traffic or the hot sun. Very easy, right? So from Pavilion, you can go back to Fahrenheit88 via this escalator, okay? Just go up the escalator. Back to Fahrenheit. Ground floor. This is the first floor. This is the first floor of the mall. First floor here, coffee. Yeah, see some boutique standard okay. I think the anchor tenant here is Uniqlo So you can see there's a big Uniqlo store here. Sephora, typical mall, okay. But it does have everything you need. Oh, finally, there's a mall directory. Let's go and see the mall directory. Oh, there's a hair salon there. Okay. Let's check. So beside Uniqlo. So the anchor tenant, yes, I guessed it correctly. Uniqlo is the anchor tenant. Because outside there also there has a brand visible, the logos visible everywhere. So you can see there's what they have: personal care, bookstores, convenience stores. It's typical whatever the malls should have, they have. Still a very basic mall. Okay. So I'm on the other end, you can see there's a clinic and also Mr. DIY here. Actually basics, everything all got. So let's go up to the second floor. Second floor, I think is where you find the restaurants. These Grand House restaurants, and then there's also the beauty center. And that's quite standard, that's where the restroom is. Oh, Uniqlo again. Yeah, really Uniqlo is the anchor tenant here. So that is that part here is booked access. Kids can play here. I think it's a playground for kids. So you can put your kid here while you go for a facial or spa, that treatment there. Or you even come here and read, buy some books. You know? Wow, the book access here is very big. Again, I'm on the second floor. So there's a book access here at the Korean restaurant. Korean fusion restaurant is here. Going to the third floor, this is where the Celebrity Fitness is located. So let's go up here and see what else is on the third floor. Wow, third floor is really huge, man. I think it's an exhibition area. Yep, there's an exhibition area. It's for art exhibition. Oh yeah, wow, okay, this is really art exhibition here. Since classes, comic classes. Yeah, this is actually a hall for an art exhibition. Celebrity Fitness is there. Okay, this whole place, third floor is dedicated for exhibition hall.